I don't know how you guys can be so relaxed. You know, the stories that I've heard about this place gives me the chills. So I'm happy to be with you guys and experienced guides. I know that you guys have confidence, you've done this before, but for me, it's kind of nerve-wracking. But I'm having a whole lot of fun, I must say.
Yeah, look, this is my first time doing this. I just got a comment from my co-driver here. If my ears wasn't on my head, my smile would be right around my head. And yeah, this is such an absolute privilege. This is now proper doodsakker stuff. Look where we're driving, look where the sea is, look where the dune is. Every now and then you have to dodge a bit of seawater here, but this is absolutely exhilarating. Yeah, this is very special.